Good evening, students. Welcome to our chemistry class. In this session, we are going to start salt, its preparation and uses. First thing, how salts are prepared? Mostly, the reaction by which salt is prepared is known as neutralization reaction. See, acids and bases reacts together to form salt and water, and this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Now, see, strong acid, strong base, when combined together, then it forms neutral salt. And when weak acid and weak base combine together, then also neutral salts are formed. But when strong acid combines with weak base, then the salt formed will be acidic in nature, and if weak acid combines with strong base, the salt will be basic in nature. The common salt which we are eating is sodium chloride. Okay, it is normally prepared by the method of evaporation. See, seawater is evaporated, and from there only we can obtain salt, and after that through crystallization process it is purified. Sodium chloride is used in many ways. It is a raw material for many other salts like sodium hydroxide, washing soda, bleaching powder, baking soda. In all these, NaCl acts as a raw material, and more important, it is used in foods. Even it is used as a preservative. Okay, so these are the common uses of sodium chloride. Sodium hydroxide is prepared by the electrolysis of aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Okay, see, when sodium chloride is dissolved in water, it is known as brine. Okay, that solution of common salt in water is known as brine. And when it undergoes electrolysis, it dissociates into hydrogen, chlorine, and sodium hydroxide. Remember one thing, whenever uses of products obtained in electrolysis of sodium chloride is asked, you have to write uses of all the products, byproducts. Okay, that if first you are going to write hydrogen, and what are the uses? It is used in food, fertilizers like ammonia, and then hydrogen and chlorine combines, that these two products are combined, it forms HCl, which is used in cosmetic, medicines, ammonia, formation of ammonium chloride. Next, at anode, chlorine is obtained. This chlorine is used as an disinfectant. Okay, it is used for water treatment, as pesticides. Okay, and when this chlorine reacts with sodium hydroxide, it forms bleach. Okay, and use of bleach is very common. We know that it is used for bleaching fabrics, even in the industries also, and in houses also. And third product is sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide is used in paper making industries, formation of soap and detergent. So whenever you are writing the uses, try to write the uses of each and every byproduct separately. It will be easy for you to remember. Okay? Thank you.